If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here packing up another Galentine mail. This one is for another one of my Patreons. Her name is Liz. She is Caffeinated Crafting with Lizzie on Instagram. I will have her link to her Instagram down below. So what I'm including in this mail, so I have some embellishments here. Let me just get it together. I want to turn the camera on and I ain't ready. All right, so I have some bows because everybody needs some bows. Cute small bows with little palms in the middle, double layer, super pretty. And these have a little bit of ribbon underneath, little gold ribbon. So I have those in the small, and then I made some in the larger bow. These are so cute. You can see the little tinsel ribbon there. So I have those, and then I have some butterflies. Super cute, 3 layers. Cute. And then I have these embellishments. And I saw these on Instagram from somebody. They were so cute. So I made my own with some yarn and then some ephemera, some more of that tinsel, some strips, pom-pom on this is on a straw, like an iridescent straw, flowers and a little bow. Just really cute. So these are the embellishments that I'm sending her, and I use a Simple Stories paper. Let me check. Yeah, it's this Simple Stories, Simple Vintage, My Valentine. So I use this paper for that. Okay, so I'm going to package this up. How to find a different way to package up her embellishments. I'm also sending her a beauty care item, self-care. And this is the facial cleansing brush. Everybody loves those. I'm sending her some socks. Cute. Hashtag love. Really pretty. And she loves pens just as much as I do. So again, I have these calligraphy fountain pens, and they have 4 little ink cartridges in there. And they write so nicely. I love them so much. And then another goodie I'm sending is this stamp and die cut set. I think it's so pretty. I love this butterfly. Really pretty. And one of her things in her about me that she said that she liked is flowers, different kinds of flowers and things for her embellishments. So I'm including some flowers for her. And she says she likes shabby with a bit of a vintage, some type of a different. And I was like, okay, well, let me just pull out my different types of flowers. So I have these that I'm sending her. And then these. And then these. Those. So that takes care of like the shabby, I guess. This is more of a vintage flair. She liked gold, so these are cute. A little bit more vintagey, these two. So I'm sending her these flowers because she likes these. Definitely are a variety, so she's gonna get those. And then I'm gonna send her some sequin mix. And then I found this at Hobby Lobby. It's a Valentine, it's a heart ornament. So, and they were 27 cents. So I grabbed a bunch of these and a bunch of the cake ones. So I'm going to fill it with my sequin mix. And I have to make her a handmade card. So I'm going to do what I'm going to call my signature card, which is the card that I'm probably going to make for everybody. My Hey Girl Hey. So I'll be back when all of this is all packaged up. And I have a box for it. I'm going to put it in this box here. So I will be back. Hey guys, I'm going to take this opportunity while I'm cleaning my desk, preparing to let you guys know how I packaged up Liz's Valentine's swap. When I was packaging up everything or preparing everything, I decided to throw a load in the dryer, the washer, then the dryer. So you'll hear this annoying hum in this next clip. I apologize in advance. I tried to reduce noise as much as I can. Hopefully you can still kind of see what I did and it won't annoy you too much. Okay, guys, I am done packing up or packaging up everything, and I just want to quick share with you my card. Hey, girl, hey! I used some puffy stickers, did some stitching across to kind of keep them on there, and it just turns out like that. It's a little shaker, and then I have a peppermint and heart dangle on here, and then that's what I wrote on the back. So this is how I'm going to package it up. I love doing this. This is my new obsession with these little shaker cards. They're quick and easy, and you can kind of cater it to each individual and paper collection and theme or what have you. I'm going to put the rest of the shaker mix that I didn't use in here. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of shred, oh, just a little, not too much. Oh, might as well. And then a little bit left. I have a little bit left. I don't know why I'm talking weird. I'm washing. You can hear the washer in the back. There's dishwasher going upstairs. I mean, it's a cleaning type of day. So put that in there. Kind of want to hide the card a little bit. So put that there. And then this is number 0. So that's going to be right on top. I think that's so cute. All right. So now let me show you how I have everything. I have little plastic strips and sequin and everything all everywhere. So this is how I wrapped everything up. And I didn't do like put a little note on there as far as each individual one. But I will put just a little note on the top to say open by number, which I'm sure she'll get when she opens it up anyway. So I have the embellishments, and she has to cut this going across because this is close. I use this striped black and white paper. I think it's really cute. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then we have 4. We have 5, and that's her self-care. And then 6, 7, 8, that's the socks and sequins. Wrapped it up like a little candy. And these are her pins. And then these are all her flowers. 9. And then, of course, the card. So that's how I'm going to package it up. I can't remember if I showed you guys the box, but this is the box. I covered it up and everything. So I barely have room, so I'm going to have to put the shreds and things on the top. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this little put together. I'm going to pack all this stuff up and I'll be done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.